The following lesson is for 7th grade for October 31st, 2016. Happy Halloween, everybody. Have a whole bunch of different pictures to try to have a little bit of fun with today's lesson. We're going to be working with prepositions today, a little bit of creative writing. Started off class with a caught ya. I know it's been a lesson to have gone over these. This is number 17. At the school by the busport, they were joined by another friend, Jesse Jacose, who rode the school bus. Each of them found their name on the lists posted on the doors to the 7th grade wing of the school. But this was the unedited version. The edited version looks like this. So, some capitalizations, some commas. You've noticed there's 2 commas around the name, so another friend, comma, Jesse Jacose, comma. That is what's called an appositive. It is basically a noun that is describing another noun. In this case, the friend is being defined for you, which is Jesse Jacose. Okay? And Jacose, since there's very little context clues, means humorous or playful. Okay? So that's it for the caught ya. So, we used the Red Grammar books today, which I don't have an online copy of, so if you miss this assignment, you will need to come in and actually talk to me so I can get a copy of it to you, and then you can catch up. Basically, it just has notes on the prepositions. There wasn't any grammar work or anything. Okay, but we reviewed prepositions. Okay? Afterward, we discussed what mood is. Right? Now, mood is the atmosphere created by the writer's words. In other words, it's what the reader feels when reading the story. So today's assignment, you're going to be writing a scary story. So you're going to need to make sure your words create this type of a mood. Okay? We have spooky story time. So here's how this works. You have to write 2 to 3 paragraphs of a spooky story. You're going to have to jump right in because of how the assignment actually works. Now, this means you will need to work with mood. You'll have to use your words carefully to create that environment. Okay? There are some restrictions. You're not allowed to kill anybody. No one's allowed to get seriously injured. You're going to have to use kind of the Goosebumps mentality of spooky and creepy, but not overly violent. Kind of keep it to the PG-13-ish range of most horror films nowadays, so no one dies or anything else like that. Okay? However, you need to use prepositions to guide your way through a scary location. So pick any location you want. Haunted house, graveyard, insane asylum, abandoned hospital, your middle school at night, or my personal favorite, a haunted cruise ship, because there's nowhere to really hide. And then use sensory details and figurative language to make things spookier. Sensory details are details that apply to your 5 senses. Okay? So like when you're putting your hand through a spider web, it's really sticky. Right? You end up walking past a trash can, you can smell it. Right? Sometimes if it's really bad, you can taste it, smell it, and taste it. Okay? Those are sensory details. That's what I'm looking for. And you need to be using at least 12 prepositions from the book. When you're done, normally you would exchange with your shoulder partner just to kind of see how they did. You're going to be turning this in to me for a grade. Okay? And then, last but not least, have a safe and happy Halloween. Don't get too scared. Remember, Mr. Smock loves Snickers and 100 Grand bars. This concludes the lesson of the day.